Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to disable program and features option present in control panel of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening a control panel program. So this is a control panel, so you can see here programs. If I click on it, we'll see here one option, programs and features, right? If I click on it, you will see uninstall or censor program option, and you can see everything here. So right now it's not being disabled. So how you can disable all the options under this program and features? So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run program, and in the run program you need to type this command gpedit.msc. so just type this command and you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it will open the local group policy editor program. So here you can see here under the user configuration, you can see one folder written administrative templates. Just click on it and just click on this left arrow icon and just click on this control panel folder, and once again click on this left arrow icon, and now just click on this programs folder icon. Now on the right side you can see here one option, hide programs and features space. Just double click on it. Now just select this enable option and click on apply, click on OK, and now once again double click on this hide the programs control panel. Just double click on it. Just once again select this enable option and click on apply, click on OK. You can just minimize it. Now let us reopen the control panel program and once again click on these programs. Now once you click on this programs and features option, you can see here this programs and features option is being disabled. As you can see, the message has been shown up now, you can see. And if I click on the other options on the left side, say I want to click on this turn Windows features on and off, you can see has been disabled the Windows features. So if you want to enable it again, once again move back to the local group policy editor which you have enabled and just double click on the respective options which you have made changes. Now just click on this not configured again, click on apply, click on OK. Similarly do the same thing with the other option, just double click on it, just select this not configured, click on apply, click on OK. Now you can close this local group policy editor program. Once again reopen the control panel, just open the program option. Now if you click on this programs and features option, now it will be enabled again. And if I click on this other options also, so now you can see it's been enabled. So by using this method, you can easily disable program and features option present in control panel of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.